What it do, y'all? In the last video, we knocked out some yard work using our battery powered tools that were charged 100% by the sun. Now it's time to take it up a notch. So this week we're upgrading and installing a bigger off-grid solar panel array on the top of our shipping container so we can start running higher wattage tools and appliances. This is a game changer. So thank y'all for tuning in as always, and we about to get to work. Oh! Wood ain't fully dried out. Come on from up over there, woman. What you doing? You still trying to wake up? Mm-hmm. I needed to kind of try and test some of these, but I also wanted to go ahead and get the brackets up on them. 1, 2, 3. Put these brackets on. And then if you just hold that tight, well, I'll do this part because, you know. Ouch. Wow.
What'd you do that for?
Just my whole knuckle up.
What did you scrape it on?
Alright. That one's good to go. I got this door up there so you don't worry about an ant biting you. Boy, it dug into my knuckle. Oh, both knuckles, y'all. Damn. Yeah, that was a good slice from aluminum. Damn, my knuckle is like, it's splitting apart.
You don't want the other one taped?
Huh?
You don't want a band-aid on the other one?
Nah, the other one ain't nothing. Just,
yeah, it's open.
Yeah, but it ain't, that's a scratch though. Yeah, it ain't bleeding, so it's fine.
I can see blood, baby.
Hey, that knuckle is just fine. I'm gonna rub some dirt in it, it'll be fine.
Dirt? You gonna put it on top of there?
There we go. And we're just gonna lay that thing. Wow. All right, got all the brackets on there, so we are good to go. Damn, I wish it was sunny. Give us a little sun real quick. The wires. Got them?
Uh-huh.
So we're not gonna push them all the way in. All right.
That one's on the thing.
That's fine.
On the
It's not gonna bend
brace.
it. Yeah, I just need to see it work, and then I'm gonna kick it up. All right, y'all. So as we put the solar panels over here, we've just been checking an actual MC4 connection per, and just to see what this is. Y'all see the ladybug up there? Just to make sure it's bringing in something. But again, no sun. It's right there behind them clouds, y'all, but no sun. So what you doing?
Stomping ants.
Let's see if I can show y'all an ant, cause okay. Can y'all see that big ass ant? There are the ants.
Get bit by one of those if you want to.
All right. I got the bottom. They don't feel heavier
than the other one?
Yeah, they the same panels. It just feels heavier to me because we keep on going and going and going. All right. If y'all are wondering, these were checked when I bought them probably 8 months ago or whenever, so they work for sure. I just wanted to test it out, make sure we were good to go just in case. Let's work on the frame that's gonna go up there and get that prepped as much as possible so that we don't have to be up there super long trying to build the frame and work on the frame. So yeah,
all right,
let's get to work.
Let's do it. Are these heads big enough?
I think so. Push it through first to see. It's a bumble. Don't move fast. Don't move fast. Don't move fast.
Hey, I'm moving regular.
Man, that sun feels good. It's gonna be short-lived though. That's it for that one. That's all she wrote. That's the right side. Now it's time for the left side. We are gonna be, which y'all will find out in a minute, connecting these with magnets to the top of the shipping container. So like we tell y'all all the time, we not professionals at all, so don't do as we do. Yeah. Cool. Let me take those other panels off and hand them down first.
Yeah.
How about that?
Oh, man.
That's rain, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How long you think it'll last? Not long, huh?
Till the cloud moves.
We got that one. And then this one. I think this is gonna work just fine. I'll probably shore up each end with another magnet on all four ends. Now that I got this side done, I could bring some solar panels up, get them lined up, at least get the first one or two bolted down so that I know where to go after the first set, and then I could place the other ones in a row after that. Okay.
Watch that bracket.
Thank you. I didn't realize you were about to come with all that.
Oh, I figured you would need it.
Thank you. I appreciate that. If y'all wondering where the wife is, she in the car, knocked out, taking a nap. Here comes the wind, y'all. Let me hurry up. Oh, damn, there y'all went. Told you the wind was coming. Damn. Y'all still alive? Hey, look up. There go the tripod off the top. But listen, it's finna rain, so let me let y'all hang out a second while I throw this stuff in the shipping container. Hopefully I didn't break nothing. Don't look like y'all broke up. The rain has stopped. Y'all saw from the last glance you got up there and the tumble y'all took that I'm almost done. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get at least the frame part of the right side done so that there's no issues with the wind taking it and blowing it off. So I'm gonna have to push through it, do what I gotta do, get it done. This is what I got. Of course, it ain't hooked up yet to solar. The PV wires ended up working pretty nicely. Y'all can see it's got a hole on this. That ain't going nowhere. Then I got my magnets pulled tight in the opposite directions of each other. Hopefully they keep working. But let me get down from here and wrap everything up because it's coming down. I am going to work on getting the solar part of this connected, which is this PV that runs in here. Then I'll be able to see this system with this battery get charged up and run in a cycle like clockwork. So currently I turn it off because it takes power to run the inverter. And look, I gotta be able to have this shipping container on 24/7 for real. So this is the last little step that I gotta do. Knock this out and I'll never turn it off again. All right, here we go, y'all. There are the solar panels, which have been just fine so far. No issues. I do wish I had still kind of given it a slight tilt, and I still might go in and maybe add 2x4s to that side so I can give it just an 1.5 inch tilt, and they'll kind of face down this way. This is my negative going into my gland that's going into the shipping container. Bow. And that's good. And then that'll be shoved under there, and then all the way down at the end, I'll go down there in a minute. I'm gonna have to connect this one to that one down there. So if I can unscrew that, so I'm actually gonna try to go in and then push it from the inside. Then I'll measure how much more wire I'm gonna need. So I'm just gonna make an extension connected down there. Got quite a bit out of there. Didn't know it was that long. Thought it was a short run, but let's see what it does. Oh no. Y'all, I think there's a bracket on the inside of that was holding that in. Or not a bracket, another nut. All right, let's see how long this is and how much I'm gonna need to hook it up. It's right here and right there. All right, y'all, so let's get these ends knocked out. Strip. I just need one set. I'm not making 2 extension wires, just this one. No problems. Stick that on there. Felt the click and heard the click. And let's put that watertight on there. First side of the extension done. On this side, pull that back, push my wire through, and we're gonna do the same thing we just did. That's it. That's not coming off of there. All right. Let's put this in. Heard the click, felt the click. That means it's seated pretty nicely in there. Got my ends, y'all. Let me go and let me get it connected real quick. Be solid, and then I'm gonna start feeding this through. Pull her tight. It'll be a done deal. There we go. All right, check it out, y'all. I'm not sure if you could see that, and I actually need to grab the ladder so I can get up there and look really closely at the code. Let me show y'all so y'all can see this thing. So I'm gonna start going through some, and I'm just hitting down until I get through to PV. Oh, wait. Okay, so I'm hoping y'all could see that. So that says input, and this is the PV input, and it says 1.14 kW, and it looks really sunny, but it's pretty cloudy today, y'all. So the fact that I'm getting that 1,000, at least 1,000 at 1140 out of that is so dope. Look, it's jumping around. Got some clouds moving around. Nice. 1150 back to 1140. So man, I hope y'all could see that. There's also an app for EG4. I haven't set any of that stuff up yet, y'all. That's probably a boring video, but I appreciate y'all. Man, we gonna come at y'all with a lot more. We getting closer to moving on the property. Hey, it's coming. So like, subscribe, hype us up, all that good stuff, man. We love y'all. Peace out.